And it is useless for us to celebrate Global Action Week unless we commit the governments in Africa to contribute significantly and prioritize education, in particular to address the funding in education. And the funding in education can only be supported when we go public, when we fund education that is publicly supported, that is supported by the government of any given country. And we are saying, unless that is done, then we are going to be talking about misplaced priorities, where education is deprioritized and then the learners continue to lose out. When they are deprioritized, what comes to suffer is that there will be no infrastructure in the schools, there will be very few qualified teachers in the schools, and then the cost of going into education becomes high as private sector takes over. When private sector takes over, it comes in various forms. First, as suppliers of the equipment, school uniforms, and many other needs that are used at school. And that is a cost which becomes a barrier to public education. This is something that all progressive governments, including our own in Zimbabwe, should address. So yes, we are celebrating Global Action Week, but what is important is to remind the stewards of the country, the stewards of our economy, that it is time to reprioritize education and bring back the glory of education as a public good.